yo, I just got my first order for today. It's a Starbucks, $7, going under 4 miles.
Okay, just a sticker in this order is ready for you.
Thank you. Not a great start. It took way too long for a $7 order. And it was ready, they just needed to bag it.
Hello.
For Kayla.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Sorry, I shocked you.
You're all good. Next order up is another Starbucks. This one is $9, going like 5 miles.
Your destination is on the right.
Thank you. All right, next order up is a shop and deliver for some alcohol. $8.50, going like 4 miles.
Please remain at this location.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You as well. Yeah, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Are you the same person that's picking up the donuts?
No.
Oh, okay.
Then just scribble on that line for me.
Yes, sir.
Good enough for me. Hey, kitty. Man, it is dead today. It's been like 30 minutes since my last order. I've got nothing but junk coming in. There is peak pay in about 15 minutes, so hopefully that'll help make up all this wasted time. All right, nothing better has come in, so I'm just gonna take this PetSmart order. $11, going like 3 miles, 9 items. If I can find everything swiftly, this should be a good order.
Have a good one. Is it these right here?
Oh, it is. Cool. And then one last one. Perfect. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Bro, this receipt. Holy. Next order up is for Maya's Fruit and Juice. I think this is like a smoothie slash coffee shop thing, but it's $9 and some change, going like 3 miles. And of course, DoorDash is bugging out. Try to pause my dash, but it's telling me that I'm already paused, even though I just completed that PetSmart order. And then when I tried to unpause it, it's telling me that I was logged out because I was paused for more than 35 minutes. Really good app, by the way. So probably the end of DoorDash for today, unless I get lucky with it being busy enough, which I doubt, because like I said earlier, there's peak pay now. How convenient. What was that? Sure. That was kind of bittersweet. Order took a while to be ready, but look what she gave me. And she even warmed it up for me. Anyways, I got a stacked order for Taco Bell and Dairy Queen. I believe it said $15 and some change, going like 6 miles.
So what?
There's 2 coffees on it.
2?
Yeah. Here one day.
You will, man.
One day.
That's the mentality. But
Yeah.
You have another job, or is this your whole thing?
I do a lot of things.
Well, let's see, man. Hopefully you make it and get it to the big house.
one day. You too. Luckily, the Dairy Queen is just across the street, so please tell me this lobby's open.
Hey.
Hello. Good, you? Thank you.
Just in case. Have a good one.
You as well.
Thank you.
And there's a straw in the bag.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day. Thank you. All right, I'm taking this Voodoo donut order. $9.25 going 7 miles.
There you
Thank
go.
you.
Yeah, have a good one.
You as well. Not great at all, but there's peak pay on this one. It's gonna be the only order I get with peak pay. And there's a chance for a higher tip on it as well, so crossing my fingers. Actually, if I drop this off quick enough, I have like a 1-minute window where I can accept another peak pay order. So maybe I'll get lucky.
She got that. Also, their coach announcing their manager that they are stepping down. Well, here's some good news here for stuff playing tomorrow against Pros have something.
And peak pay is over. I just got this Walmart order. $12 and some change for about 5 miles.
There's your sticker.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You as well. All right, well, today's been one of the worst days I've seen in a long time. So I'm just gonna go ahead and call it before I tilt even more. Current time is 11:58. Current total is about 72. Pretty much every order I took today was horrible. Not a lot of good paying orders today. And the ones that I did take took forever. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.